Sails up. We're sailing. I think we. Okay.
You ready, Freddie? We're here. We got the boat.
Are you ready for this?
We're ready. It's cold here. I don't know what the hell. We buy a boat and it becomes cold.
Not believe. This has been an adventure.
Oh, more than an
Just
adventure.
getting here.
You name it, it went wrong.
True. But I can see it.
Yep, me too.
Are we ready for this? Ready or not, Charleston, here we go. See, Doc D.
Oh, it is deep. Oh, A is the first one. Yay!
Welcome home.
Yeah, welcome home. Woo!
We've arrived. Oh, nice.
I didn't know there was water there. Okay, we're on the boat. Let's see how Mike can get on. I rolled on. Yay, here we go. Welcome home. Whew, it's a little chilly, it's windy.
Chilly.
We're
here.
But we're here. There we go. Okay, we're coming home. Phew. Oh, here we go. Well, they cleaned it up some. Yay. Okay, peoples. We're trying to fix the water.
Trying to fix the water pump.
So you can see we've got this off. There's our tank. Underneath there. What does my brilliant husband do?
I dropped this thing that's like part of a screwdriver.
Yeah. So.
And it fell down.
We can't find it.
Fell down under. So I was like, okay, I gotta take this panel off.
Yeah, we're going to take off the floorboard. So we took off the panel.
Took off the floor panel.
And what's underneath the floor panel?
That.
The boat. There is no hull underneath there. So we still can't find the
It's under
screwy
there
thing.
somewhere.
Oh, we have been dying laughing when we lifted that thing up. So we thought we would share it because it is freaking funny. Yeah. Uh-huh.
We've been at this, how long?
Since 9 o'clock this morning, trying to get water. We haven't got water yet.
No water for us.
Oh my gosh, that's so funny.
So, me, is gonna replace that, which is a water pump, and it's gonna go right here. So, that's what we're working on, trying to get water today. Anyway, let's see how it goes. So, wish us luck.
This is going.
I can't even strip wire.
This is gonna be fun. We got here this morning. What at 8?
8 a.m.
And it is now. What time is it now? It's now 2:46. We're still working on the water. We're not even sure it needed a new pump, but that's what we bought.
It needed a new pump. That's what we're going with.
And we still haven't found the
We ain't done
the
nothing.
screwdriver that was dropped down in this little hole either.
I don't know what you're talking about. Hopefully it doesn't swim into the bridge or the bilge.
Yeah, we're still looking for it. Because somebody thought that the screwdrivers that we bought had magnets on the end. That wasn't me. And he was wrong. They have no magnets. Are you still stripping the wire?
Yes.
There's only 2 wires, right? A red and a black. That's what the directions say.
Stripping. It's not wanting to get undressed.
We're in trouble, man. We're in trouble. But we can see if about a knife if you need to cut it first.
I'm doing that.
Okay.
Right now, actually.
Okay, so Mike is under here trying to put that sucker on still. He did strip the wires though.
Wires are stripped. Yes, they are. We did a fine job of that. Thank you so much. Okay, so that one ain't going much further than there.
So it is going to fit on that board, right?
Yeah, it'll fit on the board.
Okay, because I know this one's bigger than the other one that we had.
It is bigger.
Okay. It's a shame it won't fit in the same holes.
It doesn't. That's what I was.
Why would it?
That's what I was looking to do first.
Gotcha, of course.
But
Again, why would it?
Yep. So, let's start by.
Oh, hey, I have an idea. Just try to find that little loose thingamabobber down there.
Okay, talk to me.
Can we put the GoPro down there and take a picture?
Well, lose the GoPro.
Well, no, it's on a stick. GoPro's on a stick.
Just don't see it.
It's just an idea.
We're good. I appreciate it. I think we'll be all right.
Until that thing rattles and I go nuts.
All right.
And we're pretty confident this is what's wrong with it?
Absolutely.
Okay. This red thingy that you're connecting, it's got a lot of tape and all on it. Is it a good wire?
Yeah.
Okay. Hot dang. We got water. Wait, not. We even got water coming out in there.
Somebody fixed it.
Juanita did.
I'll never tell. Never tell.
So we're supposed to let it keep flowing until there's no more air in the lines. So we may have to fill up our water tanks again. Okay. So we're out here. We've been working on the boat all day.
Haven't even started it up.
And we thought we'd sit out here for a moment. And we saw 2 dolphins come right on through. And of course, when we started the camera, they disappeared. So, but it's ended up being a gorgeous day here. So we have done a lot with the boat. Cleaned. Still working on the water. But we'll get it. We'll get it. Won't we? It works. The water works. This is true. We do have water.
Apparently no leak.
Yep. So, but we were just sitting out here just kind of enjoying the view. And then the dolphins were awesome.